How do warning lights work? When you start your car, you will notice the lights on the dash come on all together. This is to check that all the bulbs and connected components are working as they should. These should turn off after a few seconds, but if one or more stay illuminated, it is to warn of potential problem. Warning lights can also come on whilst driving. If this happens, depending on the color and icon displayed, you may have to pull over and investigate at your first safe opportunity to do so. Dashboard lights can be confusing and worrisome. There's so many of them. What do they all mean? Don't worry, they are not all bad. We made this video to help you understand the meaning. A yellow-orange warning lights indicate a problem that needs to be serviced soon. Air suspension warning. A light that depicts a car with an arrow pointing up and down indicates a problem with the air suspension. In most cases, there is either a leak in the suspension or the compressor has given up. Whatever the cause, you should fix this as soon as possible and drive very carefully to the mechanic if needed. If it turns out to be a leak, the compressor will constantly try to fight the leak, which can lead to even further damage to your wallet. Therefore, make sure to fix the problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.